Hi, I'm Dr. Suvarshla, Scientific Director with Zivas Fertility Centers. There are some foods which are not good for sperm quality and we are going to look at them. We'll begin with processed and fast foods. There are some favorites: fries, burgers, chips. Basically, the whole drive-through menu is not good. A 2019 Harvard study in human reproduction found that men who had a diet high in processed foods had lower sperm count and poor sperm motility. Why? These foods are often high in trans fats and saturated fats, which increases oxidative stress and damages sperm DNA. Another study in the Journal of Nutrition showed that trans fats may directly lower testosterone levels, which is a key for sperm production. Red meats and processed meats are also not good. So bacon lovers, brace yourselves. Studies have shown that high intake of red and processed meats like sausages, salami, bacon may be linked to reduced sperm quality. A 2014 study from Harvard found that men who ate most processed meat had 23% fewer normal shaped or morphologically normal sperms than those who ate the least. There is a reason behind it. These meats often contain hormonal residues, antibiotics and saturated fats, all of which can interfere with hormone balance and testicular function. Sugary beverages and soda is also not good. Your sperms do not take to soft drinks very well. A study in epidemiology found that men who drank one or more sugary drinks per day had significantly lower sperm motility. High sugar intake leads to insulin resistance and inflammation, both of which can reduce sperm production. What about energy drinks? Even worse, caffeine overload and additives like taurine can cause hormonal disruption in the testicles. Soy products are also not good in excess. Well, this is controversial because soy contains phytoestrogens, a plant compound that mimics estrogen. A study published in Human Reproduction found that very high soy intake was linked to lower sperm concentration in men. But there is a catch again. Moderate soy is likely fine. The issue is excessive intake, especially with soy-based protein shakes used in bodybuilding. Alcohol and sperm is also not good. Regular heavy drinking is linked to lower testosterone, decreased sperm production and abnormal sperm shape or morphology. A 2008 study in BMJ Open found that men who consumed more than 5 units of alcohol per week had bad sperm quality than moderate or non-drinkers. So what you eat doesn't just feed your body, it also fuels your fertility. Diets rich in processed foods, sugar, red meat and alcohol can seriously harm sperm quality. Go for fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats like omega-3 from fish and plenty of water. If you wish to know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.